Welcome back, guys, to Mama Joan house where it's hot. I don't know what I mean when me say it's hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Today, guys, Papa Harry I go put me in at the hot seat.
In the hot seat?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, Ataro. Today it's a wicked question. Right? I want to know, because she didn't tell me say she have problem and different thoughts about certain things. So I put everything straight today. I know what she are dealing with. Hopefully she answer them truthfully, because I don't want she tell me what she think I want to hear. I want to know what she thinking, how she feeling, and know what she's saying is what she's saying. I'm going to put her in our hot seat, because she claims she's driving the car and she don't like when the heater on the seat. So I know she don't like heat. So I hot her up in the seat, yeah, you see. Hot seat. Hot seat. So I hot her up, you know. You go now, I give her one. I'm going to ask her one quick question. You ready?
Well, it's your question. I'm just here to answer as truthfully as I can.
Make me see how truthful you is.
Okay.
This one not really too devastating. But you go ask her as soon as we go along, you see if we get them to ripe. You know, then why you kind of turn or, you know, fit. But it's not ripe yet. So you try to get ripe. Alright, guys? Okay. One thing you hate about me that you never tell me in your life since you meet me.
Okay. You know what I hate about you? Chat too much.
Gosh! What a wicked act that!
No, I'm just joking. I'm just joking.
Because people don't talk much.
No, I'm just joking. But what's one thing I hate about you? Come to think of it, you know, like there is really nothing me hate about you, because from a meet you, I love you at first. It was love at first sight. So if you tell you the God and honest truth, there's nothing me hate about you.
Okay, because people, when you ask her, you know, who ask me if you ask her that, you know, me no know. So me just ask her, well, who say me if you ask her. Yeah. I'll give her something now where have a little more spice, because too she love the Scotch body thing, you know, you go. Me put a little Scotch upon one of them, bun her upon her tongue. Like she knows that she chat too much. About man chat too much. What was your first thoughts of me after we... You don't really want to know people business like that? No, you don't tell me, you know. No, this one you're deep. Let me turn up the heat. I don't want you hot enough.
Oh my gosh!
Turn up the heat, Panara.
Okay.
What was your first thought of me after we did, you know, the little nasty thing? You know people nasty. You did the nasty for the first time.
What was my thought?
What was your thought about me?
Oh my gosh.
After we done like...
For the first time, it's been so much years. How am I going to remember what was it like for the first time after we do the nasty?
You say you never forget the first time.
You never forget the first time. It was hot, but it was also sweet.
Hold on a second, people. Hold on 1 second. She said it was hot. But remember Jamaica with it, you know. I don't like when you do Canada, you know, we're cold, you know. Don't have Jamaica with it, it was hot. We shall talk about.
It was good.
Okay, that one was kind of like, I thought, let me turn back down the heat. Hold on.
Stop doing
Let me know what you think, okay. The one you say, have you ever had an embarrassing sexual moment? Honey, have you ever had... come good, you know, because make sure you answer the right answer. You know.
Okay.
Oh,
do I need to answer that? Yes, I have.
So you have to answer what them want.
Yes, I do. I have an embarrassing moment.
Talk to me. Talks.
Where I break with, I farted, but it didn't smell, so you didn't notice.
Well, you think we never noticed? We never said nothing. And that was the stinkiest fart I ever smelled. From my and I know we don't smell nothing stinks. So.
You're too lying because you did not say anything.
Okay, yeah, because I was concentrating. I was one day. I smelled so. I couldn't even talk.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
That's what the fart I choke. Oh, if you talk.
Okay. Oh my God.
Yes, she fart for me, people. She fart for me. Remember, you having whatever nasty and she farted. Can you imagine? Anyways. Who is your celebrity crush?
My celebrity crush. Wow. You know what? My celebrity crush is you.
Me? Oh my God.
It was Denzel Washington, but me drop him, so me pick you up. Okay. So you are my celebrity crush because you're a big celebrity with me, I know.
Good switch.
Yes.
Better come good enough. If she never call a little celebrity name, you see me there. But like I'm a celebrity, I share celebrity. Me hold a one day for that.
Okay.
So we are move on. Now the one that we kill it now. Because this is the one you know, she have to pick, choose, and refuse.
Okay.
So,
okay.
This one is kiss, married, and kill. She have to kill one away. I mean, I call 3 movie star and 3 celebrity. So, I'm going to know which one she will kiss, which one she will kill, and which one she will go married. So, the 3 of them now, Denzel Washington, she will call it business. Me and Morgan Freeman. Morgan Freeman, I'm a boy, so.
Okay, so when would I do now? Would I kiss Denzel?
Okay. Pan the jaw, pan the lip.
On the jaw.
Make sure.
Me would I marry you?
Marry me.
Yes. I think would I knock off Morgan Freeman?
You don't kill my brethren. What a wicked woman do not kill my brethren, Morgan. No, sir. Well, at least she married to me, because we are. I can't drop on me for so me and she married, you know. She'll kiss one of them and kill another one, but she married to me. Alright, family. That one that was good. So now I go really kill her for that one.
Okay.
So we're going to move on and see if we can get it because, well, that one that did wicked still because me don't know me I go work against my boy Denzel. So we have to watch how that one they work, you know, but it's alright. We all go through still and take it as how she say it. So, that one, you know, kind of a little bit spicy still, so. Do you miss, make sure answer that one you're good, you know. Do you miss being single?
You know what? You know, like, there's times when I do miss, honestly, there's times when I do miss being single. You know, you have no responsibility. Don't get me wrong. I love my family, I love my children, and I love to take care of everybody. But sometimes you miss being, you don't really have that responsibility, you know. Not saying that me not love my family and everything, but you know, all honesty, sometimes we miss being, you know, way back when we might miss, you know, now if I do so much work.
People.
You know.
Only you're pure shite. Cause me and she married, you know. She not supposed to miss nothing being single. She's supposed to miss.
Well, I have to tell. I'm telling the truth. It's just the way it is. You know, like, you know, it's anybody who said they would not miss being single.
I don't miss being single.
You know, because you don't have to do the work.
No, but that is just one thing. But I never miss being single. From I get married, I just the happiest man in the world.
I am happy because I love you and I love my family, so I'm happy. I'm just saying.
Why would you miss being single and everything you're doing it on your own? Now you're married and you have a significant one. You're gonna miss about single.
Not like Not right now, not now. I'm just saying back in the days, when things was a little bit overwhelming. But I'm fine now, but I'm just being honest, okay?
Something new to me about that. Look, I don't know how has been honest no time at all, so that's new to me in my relationships.
I'm always being honest with you.
It's true.
You know?
Yeah, because she not really, Mama Joan is not really like that. Just pull her foot, Even though them call it pull your leg, but it's a foot me up. Okay. Have anyone from your past ever tried to get back with you? Let me hear that one you go, because I don't know nothing about that.
Well, I don't have nobody. I don't have nobody from my past who try to get back at me. No, I don't have nobody in the past for that. So that one you don't have to worry about. Because there's nobody in the past to get back, unless it's you. And we are still together already.
So but we are not the past, we are still the present.
Yeah, so there's nobody.
Oh.
You was my past and now you're my future.
Okay.
Okay? So there's nobody.
She got that one right, because she said she didn't say anything else. Hey, camera that turn off, I know. I be going about my business.
He wouldn't go nowhere.
Always a thing cannot tell me when I would have do from me.
Because I know you like that.
You do?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, this man.
It hot like pepper?
It's sweet like candy. Can't eat no candy because I said too much sugar, but I want to have some sugar in it, Okay. What's something that I do that turns you off? Talks to me.
What you do it turn me off?
Yes. Come on, nose. So we can turn it on back.
Bitch and complain a lot.
We kind of...
You moan and groan.
Yeah, I am like that because everything bother me,
Him have pain all over his body.
Yeah.
If him go through the door, him body hurt him. Him come back, him body hurt him.
People that was from an accident, but she don't remember the accident for a long time. But the pain carry me come right back to, I must say, this year me start.
But there's nothing where him do for turn me off anyway. Just throw the pain in it, see if me can get something out of it. But there's nothing him do where really turn me off, honestly.
Only I can
Miserable, but me work with it.
Do?
Okay.
Oh, make sure you know what mention it, Oh, man, misery. Which wherever your man
Oh,
misery.
you heard.
I did.
You did.
Why you know you see? I couldn't believe what I just said, but it's alright. Okay. Now when I hot now, hold on, people. Turn on back the eat panda one, yeah.
Stop doing that.
Okay. Do you miss anyone from your past? Family, friend, or ex?
I do miss my mom. And I miss my beautiful little sister. Yes. That's not here anymore. Yeah. Both of them.
Sure.
I miss my dad too. But I miss my mom and my sister.
Okay. Yeah. That is understandable.
Yeah.
Which is the least favorite friend of mine to you? Your least favorite friend of mine?
Oh my God. That one is so hard. Like, you have your soccer friends them, and them are some good friends, and you have your old-time friend them, and you have good friends. So none of them is not my least favorite. No, because you have good friends. Them are good friends. You have some good, decent friends, and none of them is not my least favorite. I can honestly tell you that.
I mean, if you have some daytime, more time, they want come on when we link up with my bedroom, then we just sit down all day, we play ball from 10
well,
to 10.
that him can cut back on the time,
no
so them not have to spend all of them left at 9 o'clock in the morning and them don't go back to all them friends, them no need to go home to no wife. Them sit down and chat till 3, 4 o'clock.
Yeah, but only one day we do that, we don't do that the other day of the week. So.
But anyway, put our joke aside, him friends, them are some decent friends.
Yeah, sir. One more question I want to send in, Me ask you the one, but the one you know. If she ever give me the wrong answer upon the one, people, if she ever give me the wrong answer upon the one, you be alive tonight. Have you ever thought about divorcing me?
Every flipping day.
People. What a wicked answer that.
Every day I thought of divorcing him because he's miserable. Anyway, a joke, guys. No, guys.
Alright, show me look for you a while ago.
No, guys, listen. From the first time I see this man, yes, from the first time I saw him, you know, this is why I said there is love at first sight. I fall in love with this man until now, and it's been years and years, and we're still together. So I never thought, there's never a thought crossed my mind of divorcing him, you know. I don't know if it crossed your mind about divorcing me because, you know, I am you know, but no, I never thought of divorcing him. He's a good man.
People, if she did say anything other than that, as we say, today would be Sunday. Today what?
Today is Tuesday. Yeah.
If she did say anything other than that, today would be like Sunday, kind of. Sunday is a church day, you know. But that's okay, because right now, people, this marriage that we have with Mama Joan, it never even crossed my mind. But as she said, it's not about me, it's about she. So, me work with that. You see me? So, people, me not really like to ask a whole heap of questions. So, we just pick out about a dozen of them, you want to say the.
Pick out a couple of the questions, say about 12 of the questions, and ask me, we answer them. So guys, we come to the end of the video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell so that you guys don't miss a post when I post.